Hello there, I'm back with another OS experience, and I just want to have a quick talk about a Presentasia. You can see a little thumbnail to the video I'm going to do just now in the top corner. Now, quite a lot of people seem quite fascinated with Presentasia. You can see it in my video views, view counts, and all that kind of stuff. And the reason I do these videos is because I'm quite fascinated with Presentasia. These PowerPoint so-called operating systems, they're just like PowerPoint presentations that emulate operating systems, and I find it quite fascinating because even the developer who created these little presentations even said in his own words that his work really illustrates just how powerful Microsoft PowerPoint is compared, well, at least compared to other things as well. And I actually, funnily enough, I actually use PowerPoint as an alternative to like Adobe Flash or well, no Flash, like Adobe Photoshop or all that kind of stuff, Blender or whatever you want to call it. There's always so much you can do with it. I think it's more of a case of if you understand PowerPoint properly and you've got the good ideas in mind, when that balances correctly, it works. So in this case, when it comes to Presentasia, all of these elements came crashing in together, and it created quite an impressive little thing. And I've seen others on YouTube where they've not been up to scratch, but they're just as good. But Presentasia really nips it in the bud when it comes to, you know, visuals and that kind of stuff. And I think half it he made himself, so it doesn't even look cheap. I don't even know the guy personally, but based on what I can see, I think he's getting himself into quite a lot of graphical design stuff. He's going to be really successful as a graphical designist. Is that even a word? I'm never going to be that good. Some of my work has never been that good, but I can tell you right now, he is going places. I don't know if he is going there, but that's just me. So, that being said, we're almost at the mid stage now of this so-called operating system lifespan. Presentasia lasted from early 2012 all the way to 13. And we're mid upgrade kind of thing now. Getting to the big juicy stuff that he created, and we are going to be doing Presentasia OS 5.0 Kaleidoscope. So this is Presentasia OS Kaleidoscope. Shush. Copyright 2012, Presentasia Technologies, all rights reserved. And you can see right now what I was talking about earlier on in the video. Just all the animations. It's fascinating to me just how good this stuff is. So this is the welcome screen. As we've seen in the previous clip shows, we've got these little menus at the top here, info tab and shutting down and everything else. Right, come on, nothing coming up. Oh, right, okay. I've not used this for ages, but I didn't realise what the question mark was supposed to be for. New user. Admin is set, no new user can be created. Quick access, let's check out quick access to begin with. All tabs at the top corner here, the little title bar. Rebrowse, and wow. Yeah, I've not been on this for ages, so you can probably notice I'm just too fascinated with all this. I've also I've also got a new monitor as well, so all the visuals just look so much better. So you can probably see that I'm just a little bit too impressed. But wow, so I got Google coming up here. Just chip 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 chip. Then again, well, here is one of my channels on YouTube. Shameless plug. And my newest video is actually there, and oh, I'm actually on all of Google. So it's Ricky's Chan on Twitter, but I'm irrelevant. Right light, just type some stuff. Games. I think this jumps straight into is it Cool Math Games? This guy must really love cool math games. I'm not even joking because it's everywhere. It's all versions has at least a little so-called version of this so-called application. And the reason I say so-called, it's just because it's a web browser kind of thing. And yeah, there's no disk because it doesn't read any, and it pretends to. So that's quick access, quite a nice little. I really do wish this so-called software, and the reason I'm saying so-called is because it's not actually software, it's a PowerPoint presentation document. But that being said, it's not any less impressive. I don't actually know why the guy stopped creating these. And just to let you know, the password for all these is administrator. Administrator. Does it work? Yes, it does. But yeah, on this new monitor of mine's, I've got my monitor ages ago, but I didn't start playing this little visual presentation for since I got it. So that's why I'm so like awestruck by all these graphics. And yeah, I am so jealous because I've actually made software before, and I've made my own icons and graphics and stuff before, but nothing comes to this scale like this. So here's Access web browser and something with my. It's similar to the the quick access version. It's just the same web browser, and there's settings which don't seem to work. They're just okay. So let's close that. That's the web browser Access. It's no Access, Atlas. The web browser, OS browser, uneditable bubble photos. So some sample images. I've seen this before. I've seen that picture before. I can't remember where, but I've seen that picture before. And trees. Fair enough. Oh, okay. Leave, please. Going to Writasia. And this is the first one that introduces the special document, or the Pro document. So this is a Pro document. You've got all of these additional settings here, and then all the rest are just like the standard ones. You can just like type any old thing like that, and then so on. And yeah, there's 13. But let's just have a little quick play about with this. This is a bunch of texty because I'm weird. This is a bunch of texty in blue, and green, and red. You can centerize it. Is that even a word? I don't even think so. And you can put it to the side, just as you can on like Microsoft Word and everything else. I am so jealous. And you can change the font as well. Default, what does that do? Whatever that does. But yeah, that's just Writasia. They've got the ProDoc now. The media player, which doesn't really have anything. still it's not any less interesting. Apps. So you've got YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and Tumblr. Is that right? Aye, I think that's Tumblr, that's Twitter. Let's start. Just at the start menu, just like, you know, start me up. And I've just got an image of a guy with a nosebleed. Of course I would. Facebook? Nah, I'm not even going to bother. I don't know if I'm logged in on Facebook on Internet Explorer, but yeah, that's actually what it's set up with. Start, please. Start, Jim Bob. Extreme golden tan transformation. But, and I've already been in sample documents, sample images, disk. No disc were found. Insert one in, even though I've got one in the machine as well, it's a game. But, cool math games, mini clip, let's play a game. Tour. Arcade golf, tic-tac-toe. Ooh, snake. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I can't be bothered. Right. Don't mind me, I'm just drinking a cup of my coffee. Just in case I bump the microphone and it hisses like a savage animal. Now, if we set it to the side here, bump. It's a little sidebar kind of thing. Come on. And this keeps going back and forth, back and forth. Name, admin, system administrator, password, blah. All that kind of stuff you'd see on an emulated software. And you can change the background as well. Do I really need to? Oh, okay. I didn't see that. Dark gradient. Kaleidoscope. Which I think's quite pretty. Oh, for crying out loud. I think it's, if he made all these graphics himself, I am so bloomin' impressed. It's not even funny. Smooth. And default. I think default was actually in the first version of Presentasia, or whatever you pronounce it, but that was interesting. So, and I just realised the W in Writasia is that pretty much resembles. I've not got this little disc away yet, this little change in background disc. But the Writasia logo looks a bit like a Wikipedia, but yeah, so this was Presentasia. So that was Presentasia, just a little, a very nice, interesting, midway through development version of the PowerPoint series of Presentasia. I started off with the first one, I'm going all the way along, and we're getting to the mid stage now. We're going to the transition to 6.0, which I think was actually designed to emulate the transition from the Windows logo, which you can see up here, to the tile-based Windows 8 logo, which is actually where I think the guy got the idea from for the logo. And the reason I was talking about this, it's both because it interested me and because I thought it was going to be a kind of mid-section on. But that being said, if you enjoyed this, and I hope I wasn't too boring. I just wanted to talk about this. I was quite fast. Just wanted to talk about it. But yeah, obviously with some new monitors, wanting to see how it looked. So, but that being said, I do a part of the series I do is mostly talking about computer graphics, mostly desktop graphics, graphical user interfaces, or GUIs as they're called. Various different operating systems, real launchers and software like PowerPoints, for instance, and even Visual Basic stuff as well. I've created my own stuff on that degree. Probably not as good as this. done Zion before, which is a Visual Basic desktop environment, or so-called OS. So they're all interesting. And I'm not being sarcastic when saying that. I'm being truthful there. But yeah, as I say, if you did enjoy this, got any suggestions for things you want me to take a look at and just seek interest in, let me know in the comments, because that's what I'm here for. So, with that being said, I am going to see you in the next video, and hopefully the next video is going to be 6.0. And also go onto my DeviantArt page, because you can download it if you like, because the person who created this, I don't think wants anything to do with this. So the reason I am uploading this to my DeviantArt page, and maybe my website if it fits, because there's a limit to how large a file can fit there. But if you want to download this for free, I'm not charging, it's just completely for free. If you want to download it, go onto my DeviantArt page, link in my channel page, in the channel header thing, or it could be in the description as well. But anyway, that being said, if you enjoyed this, give me a like, give me, subscribe, and keep the notifications turned on as well. But if you did enjoy it, as I say, like it, comment down below, tell me what you like about it and everything else. And yeah, I will see you when my computer shuts up. I will see you next time. Bye.